this video, we're going to look at solving problems using the unitary method. Many problems that reverse a previous operation can be solved quickly using the unitary method. For example, percentages. A shirt has been discounted by 20% to a discounted price of $64. What was the original price? That is, 80% represents $64. So rather than taking it back to 1%, we'll take it back to 10% by dividing by 8. That is, 10% is equivalent to $8. The original price would represent 100%, so we multiply 10% by 10. $8 times 10 is $80. Therefore, the original price is $80, or was $80. Rates. A rate is one quantity measured against another quantity or measure. For example, kilometres per hour, metres per second, dollars per square metre, dollars per litre, etc. Suppose a tap is dripping at 200 mils per hour. Firstly, how much water will drip in 12 hours? And secondly, how long will it take for 10 litres of water to drip? Answering question A, we know 200 mils drips in 1 hour. And we're asked to find how much will drip in 12 hours. That is, we'll multiply the hour by 12. 200 mils times 12 is 2,400 mils, or we could convert to 2.4 litres. Therefore, 2.4 litres will drip in 12 hours. The second question, how long will it take for the tap to drip 10 litres? We have here 200 mils in 1 hour, and we know that, I'll set it up over here, 200 mils in 1 hour. Now, rather than taking the hours down, I'm going to take it up to 1 litre. So 200 mils times 5 will be 1 litre. So therefore 1 hour times 5 will be 5 hours. That is, in 5 hours it'll drip 1 litre. So multiplying 1 by 10 to get our 10 litres, 5 hours times 10 is 50 hours. Therefore, it will take 50 hours to drip 10 litres. Let's do another example. A car is travelling at a constant speed of 160 kilometres in 2 hours. That is 160 kilometres to 2 hours. How far will it travel in 3 hours? Let's take it down to 1 hour. 2 hours divided by 2 will give us the 1 hour. 160 kilometres divided by 2 is 80 kilometres. Therefore, the unitary method, 1 hour, will represent 80 kilometres. Multiplying by 3 to give us the 3 hours, 80 times 3 is 240 kilometres. Therefore, in 3 hours, the car will travel 240 kilometres. Changing units. The unitary method is also used to change units, such as kilometres per hour to metres per second, or millilitres per second to litres per hour, etc. A student earns $18 per hour. How much is this in cents per second? So we know it's $18 to 1 hour. Now we need to get cents per second. First of all, let's change the $18 to cents. That would be 1,800 cents, and 1 hour would represent 60 minutes. Now we need to get to seconds, so we can then go 1,800 cents to 60 times 60 is 3,600 seconds, because there's 60 seconds in 1 minute. Now we need to get down to our per second, which is a unit of a second. So 3,600 seconds divided by 3,600 will give us the 1 second. And 1,800 divided by 3,600, you can see that's 1/2, or we'll say 0.5 cents. So therefore, $18 per hour represents a half a cent per second, per 1 second. Our last example, an ostrich can run at a speed of 72 kilometers per hour. What is this speed in meters per second? So we have 72 kilometers represented as 1 hour, and we need to get down to meters per second. Again, we'll go to meters first. 72 kilometers is 72,000 meters in 60 minutes. And going to seconds, 7,200 meters in 3,600 seconds. Again, we need to get down to per second, per 1 second. We will divide by 3,600 to get 1 second. 72,000 divided by 3,600. Could set it up as a fraction if you're not sure. Cancel. 720 divided by 36 is 20 meters per 1 second. Therefore, the answer, an ostrich can travel at 72 kilometers per hour, is equivalent to 20 meters per second. That's fast.